Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form in Typeform so you can build beautiful conversational surveys and lead capture tools in 2026. Let's get into it. First, start a new project. The first step is entering the 2026 Builder, where you can choose between starting from scratch or using an AI-assisted template. From your Typeform workspace, click the plus Create Typeform button in the top left. Choose Start from Scratch for full control, or select Use a Template to browse the 2026 gallery. In 2026, Typeform focuses on high-conversion design. Starting here allows you to define the vibe of your form immediately, ensuring your branding is consistent before you add a single question. Next, build your conversational flow. Typeform is unique because it shows one question at a time, making it feel like a real conversation for your users. Choose from multiple choice, email, or short text. Type your question in the Center editor and use the Design tab to add images or videos. In 2026, engagement is everything. By choosing the right question types and adding visual elements, you reduce form fatigue, which leads to much higher completion rates compared to traditional static forms. Lastly, set up your logic and publish. The final step is making your form smart so it asks the right questions to the right people. Click the Logic tab at the top of the builder to create branching. For example, if a user selects option A, skip them to question 5. Click the Publish button in the top right to go live. You can then copy the share link or get the embed code for your website. In 2026, personalized paths are the standard. Logic jumping ensures your users aren't bored by irrelevant questions, while the Instant Publish feature makes your form accessible across all devices the moment you hit the button. And that's pretty much it. To create a form in Typeform for 2026, click plus Create Typeform in your workspace, build your conversational questions using the left sidebar, and set up your logic branches before hitting Publish to share your link with the world. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.